So now we've got two separate people and they're both separated by left and right channel, but we need something for them to react to. And for this, we're going to be using some audio that we found on the internet. So I'm going to go to this site called freesound.org. It's a great site. You do need to sign up for an account with them, which I highly recommend. It'll ask you for your email address. I have gotten one email from them in the 15 years that I've used them, and it was basically making sure that I still wanted to use the site. So you can just register over here. Once you've registered, you can log in. And then you can do a search for sounds. I'm going to do something that sounds kind of like let's do a lion. No, actually, you know what? Let's do a rat. Let's get scared of rats. All right. So this here, you'll see these little waveforms of your different audio files. Now, if you look at a waveform, you'll see that the higher the peak of the line is, the louder it's going to be. So this is rat squeak. If we were to listen to this, it would probably be something like squeak, 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 about like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squeaks. So let's listen. So you can see we get the squeaks with each of these. So you can kind of get an idea as we're going through. Let's listen to this talking rat. Horrible. Let's listen to the rat gnawing. All right, maybe we use the rat squeak. So once we found it, we click here. This will bring it up, and then we just click the download button. Once the file's downloaded, we need to do something. We're not going to bring it right into Audition. We need to save it over to our external file. So I'm going to go to my download section. I'm going to change this just to make it say rat squeak, so it's a lot easier for me to identify. And then I'm going to drag this over to my external drive, go into my Time Arts folder, and my audio demo. And what I would say is I would want to even put this in its own folder here. So I could do new folder and call this audio files. That way we have it right there and we can keep all of our audio files right inside. All right, now that we've found our audio, in the next section we're going to bring it in and alter it to make it sound a little bit scarier.